Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix Apple Music. The operation could not be completed and unknown error occurred. So guys, when you have open Apple Music on your iPhone or on your iPad and want to play tracks on your Apple Music and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back. So guys, after going to back you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And if you're using mobile data, make sure that you are selected for your 5G network on your device and click on general. So guys, when you have click on general you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, check that if you have connected any VPN you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back. So guys, maybe there is network problem, you have to reset your network settings from here. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to click on general again, and guys check for software update. So guys, if you have not updated your iPhone to latest version, simply you have to update it first. And guys, you need to open your app store here. So guys, when you have opened your app store here, you need to search Apple Music. So guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, after this you have to open this app here, and guys if you have any kind of update here or not updated your app, simply you have to update your Apple Music. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, after this you have to open your settings again, and guys click on general again, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this you need to wait for some seconds, and from here you need to find Apple Music. So guys, if not find, click on show all, and guys from here you need to find here. So guys, simply you have to wait. Here you can see Apple Music. So guys, simply you have to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to contact with Apple support here. Select your gadget, scroll it down, click on more. From here you need to find your music app. So guys, simply you need to scroll it down. Here you can see Apple Music. You have to select your music here, and you need to wait for some seconds. Click on call, and guys you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.